Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to grow your Instagram account with user-generated content. Let's get right into it. User-generated content, UGC, is a powerful tool for growing your Instagram account. It builds trust, increases engagement, and provides authentic content that resonates with your audience. Here's a breakdown how to effectively leverage UGC. Number 1. Encourage UGC creation. Create branded hashtags. Develop a unique hashtag that encourages users to share content related to your brand. Promote this hashtag across your Instagram profile and other marketing materials. Run contests and giveaways. Host contests that require users to create and share content to enter. Offer enticing prizes to incentivize participation. Ask for reviews and testimonials. Encourage customers to share their experiences with your products or services. Feature positive reviews and testimonials on your Instagram account. Use Instagram's interactive feature. Utilize features like add yours stickers in stories to prompt users to share their own content. Use polls and question stickers to encourage interaction. Number 2. Find and curate UGC. Monitor hashtags and mentions. Regularly search for your branded hashtags and mentions of your account. Identify high quality content that aligns with your brand. Search by location and interest. Use Instagram's search function to find content related to your niche or location. Look for posts that feature your products or services. Engage with existing brand mentions. Like and comment on posts that mention your brand. Reach out to users and ask for permissions to share their content. 3. Share and showcase UGC. Ask for permission. Always ask for permission before posting someone's content. It's always nice to ask for their permission. Give credit to the original creator by tagging them in your post. People don't like it when you steal their things and you don't tag them. Feature UGC in your feed and stories. Share high quality UGC on your Instagram feed to showcase your brand's community. Use Instagram stories to share real-time UGC and behind-the-scenes content. Create UGC highlight reel. Organize UGC into themed highlight reels on your profile. This makes it easy for visitors to see examples of how others are using your products or services. Incorporate into ads. Using UGC in ads can generally increase the ad's effectiveness. Number 4. Build a community. Engage with UGC creators. Respond to comments and messages from users who have created UGC. Show appreciation for their contributions. Foster a sense of belonging. Create a community around your brand by encouraging interaction and connection. Make your audience feel valued and appreciated. Key benefits of UGC. Increase trust and credibility. UGC provides social proof that your brand is trustworthy and reliable. Enhance engagement. UGC encourages interactions and participation from your audience. Authentic content. UGC provides genuine and relatable content that resonates with your target audience. Cost-effective marketing. UGC can reduce the need for expensive content creation. By implementing the strategies, you can effectively leverage UGC to grow your Instagram account and build a thriving community.